Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all keeping well and are keeping safe. And today I have some good news. We've received a package from Exoracing. So in this package is everything to rectify the issues we had with the EP3 on the dyno. Now if you'd have watched my last video, you'd have noticed that we had to cap it at 422 wheel horsepower. Now what we found on the day is that as the boost was rising, the fuel was like dipping, so effectively running lean, and obviously it's dangerous and could have a catastrophic effect, and that's the last thing I want, because I've been there, I worn the t-shirt and I don't want to ever do that again. So we stopped it where it was. Will told me what I needed to do. In this box is everything that I need to do. So at the moment I'm running stock lines, stock rail, stock regulator. So now we're running the bigger power. We need to get rid of those and upgrade them. Before I open the box, I just want to give a massive shout out to Matt at Exoracing and his team. They got everything that I needed to do to complete the build. Like I say, some of the parts that they didn't do, they've managed to get and now can source. So if you can't see it on the website, just hit him up in the DM. No, I'm not sponsored, by the way, by Exoracing, but I just thought, you know, the service that I got from this, you know, I'd recommend anybody go to them, you know, see where they are price wise. I'm sure they can help you out. They helped me out and they got it to me in a timely fashion. They got everything that I needed to complete this build. So let's have a look. So right out the bat, they sent me a t-shirt, a sexy red one, a nice hoodie there, Exoracing. So thank you very much for those. We've got 12 meters of AN6 fuel line. We have the Aem fuel pump. So the fuel pump that I've got in at the moment is I think it's a Walbro 255, but again, that's right in the limits. So we've got a Aem pump there. We've got, going back into the box here, if I can open it with one hand. So that is the hybrid racing fuel pressure regulator. So that will help me when increasing the fuel pressure for boost. Now, secondly, we have the fuel pressure gauge here. If I can open this as well, I do apologise. So that's there, looking all pretty. So that will basically help us, you know, it'll just show us what fuel pressure we're running while we're outside of the car. I've got a wideband sensor as well. Now, I should have had one originally, but I didn't. But obviously I know how important it is just to make sure that the air-fuel ratio is correct and right, so that's why I've got that. Also, Exoracing supplied us with all the AN6 fittings, so I can complete the fuel lines. That's another bag, just straights. Got ones that go to the fuel tank as well. I think they're called bulkhead fittings. And last but not least is the hybrid racing fuel rail. Now, I'm a bit of a fanboy of hybrid racing. I like their products and that's why I opted for them. There's no other real particular reason why I've gone for hybrid racing, but I think they're going to look really cool in the engine bay, and that's why I've got them. I'm actually working on my Honda Civic EG, so I've got a track day booked on the 12th. At the moment I've been sorting out the rear trailing arms. I've converted the brakes at the back to discs, so I'm not running drum brakes now. I've lowered the car and I'm doing a few other things like putting the clutch in as well, so that's what I'm doing at the moment, and there's going to be videos of that. But the next video after the track day is going to be the EP3, and we're going to be making it better using these parts supplied by Exoracing. So I just thought I'd give you an update as to where I am right now. Like I said, there's going to be more content on the EG after this, but then once we've done the track day, I'll be going back to the Civic, putting these parts on. We'll be going on the dyno, and turning her up. So we'll see where we get to on that. So hopefully everything goes okay. But yeah, if you've got any comments, please feel free to leave them below. If you like the parts, come on, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you haven't hit the notification bell, please hit it, because I think only 15% of my viewers have the notification bell on. And obviously, if you don't know that I put a video up, then you won't see it, will you? But yeah, anyway, thanks again, guys. I hope you're keeping well, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Got that purple Lamborghini lurking.